Okay, my peeps, let's make a mini candy corn cake for our tier tray. So these foam rounds are 4 inches. I got them on Amazon. I can post a link if I find them again. I had them for a while. And this mold I got from Temu, but I'm sure you could probably find it online somewhere else. I'll also try to leave the information if I find the link. So I just gonna press into this mold. Now if before you press into the mold, if you wanted to, you could put some, like, brush a little bit of baby oil in it so that the clay comes out easily, because sometimes with those molds the clay gets stuck into the little crevices. So I just put some tacky glue on the edge of my foam to help the clay adhere to the foam since the foam is dry. So now I'm just going to continue on and make the next piece, because this length of this silicone mold does not cover the whole piece, so you have to kind of do like 1.5 pieces, and then get your scissor and just cut that excess part off, and make sure that these 2 pieces attach really well, because when it starts drying, if you didn't attach it well, it will separate and look like it has a crack in it. Okay, so again, I'm putting more clay on the just around the edge of the foam circle, and then again I'm gonna make some of the lace, no, what's that, the frosting. See it right there, I'm using baby oil to put in the mold so it won't like stick into the mold. Sometimes I have trouble like with that mold sticking, but that's when that baby oil comes in. I know some people like using like spray, kitchen, like food spray, like Pam or something like that. I use baby oil. I'll keep a bottle of it by my desk, and that's what I use. Again, I'm putting some of that glue on the edge just to hold that clay in place, and make sure you press it down really good. And again, I'm gonna just go on and make that little half piece that I need to complete this layer. And then I'm gonna get my white foam clay. Now the foam clay is white, but I also did paint it white because I didn't want it to just look like foam, you know what I mean? So I did paint it with some white acrylic paint, and also that helps the clay stick, the glue and the clay stick. Well, that looks cute just like that. You could just leave it like that if you want, but I'm gonna get some of these little, like, what they call, like dollops, and I got that mold from Michaels. You can find that mold that in Michaels. Michaels has a lot of nice silicone molds. So this spread that I have right here, this is just spackle that I watered down a little bit so I could make it spreadable, and I'm just spreading some on the top of this on top of the foam, and then I'm just gonna add my dollops to the top. I'm keeping this cake pretty simple, but you guys can change it up. Like if you even wanted to make them yellow dollops or orange, I just wanted to keep everything white. So now I'm going to take some of that watered down spackle, and I'm just going to go around the edge to make the cake look like it has some drips on it. So I'm just going to go all the way around that and just add some dripping to it. Like, I'm keeping the cake pretty simple, like I said, but you guys can go on ahead and, you know, make it, fancy it up, do what you do. Now I'm just going to get some candy corn colored sprinkles. I got these sprinkles from Michaels. It's in yellow, orange, and white sprinkles, and it's really cute. So I'm just going to put some of that on top, put some of that on the drip, and that's basically going to be my little cake, because I didn't want to add too much. I just wanted to keep it basic to go with the rest of my other candy corn pieces that I made. So there you go, guys. Go make you. Want to talk to you soon. Bye.